Hello, good morning, everyone. Today is February 26, 2021. Today we will check the PCI. No? We have trading already started 9:30 in the morning. So let's go to the PCI. No? Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? To all of W's around the world, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Yung nasa Pilipinas, good morning. And before that, as this discussion, there is no recommendation for buying, selling, or holding your position. If you have shares of these companies, this is only purely uh, educational purposes, for educational purposes only. So as I said, we need to study the support and resistance based on the actual price movement in the chart. Shout out to Engineer Edwin Bilan. Thank you for your support. And now let's go to the chart. Let us see first the PECI. So kung ano na po yung movement ni Philippine Stock Exchange Index sa 9:38 in the morning. So as of 9:38 in the morning, the PCI is down by 1%. So the current level is in 6,608.82. So nandito na sa may 200. No? Umabot na siya dito sa may 200 as we discussed before. There's a possibility that the PCI will drop on this horizontal support and this AMA 200 area. So we need to see if this support hindi broken. No? So this is very important that this support hindi ma-broken ni PCI. So if ma-break yung AMA 200, especially this 200 and this horizontal support, possible we will go back to this, we'll see this support area, this line. And if ever mangyayari yan, of course, PCI will become a weak because it is in the below the AMA 200. So hoping that PCI will stay above on that horizontal support. You see MACD here, MACD is below the zero line. So it means it is in the corrective thrust. So we don't want to be aggressive for now because the momentum is still weak for the PCI. And the RSI is 35. So it's below 50. So our analysis last time, it will hit already here in this horizontal support. So let us check the most active and top gainers or top losers for today as of 9:41 in the morning. So we see the D2 is down by 15.9. He's the most active, and PHE 1.01. We have ASIN here also. EPL, Green, Ali, SM, MM. This is the most active as of 9:41. And the top gainers as of 9:41 is LRW. And the losers, AMBC, the top losers, OB and AMBC and OM here. So let's go to the Western the stock here. This is only insight based on the actual price movement. So the first one is AGI. We will see AGI. Shout out to all of you my supporters. Thank you very much for your support. So we'll check the PCIs. Shout out also to Engineer Ryan Lasaka. Now, AGI, if you see the chart here, this horizontal resistance here, this area, this is the area that AGI still not yet broken. No? So, hindi pa na-break ni AGI itong horizontal resistance. But if you see the overall pattern, this area is horizontal, inclined support. This area, there's a bounce, and this a bounce here. So let us check and see that this inclined support hindi ma-break ni AGI. So if you see the MACD, we'll see MACD now. MACD is still above the zero line, but it is crossing the signal line. So still, the momentum is weak. So we need to wait if there is a crossover of the MACD going to the signal line. But take note, it should be above the zero line. So we'll wait for the next movement of AGI. But if you have a position, we need to see. For me, this is not a recommendation for selling, but it is only for my own point of view that I will check this inclined support that still na mag-hold si AGI. So dapat ma-break na yung resistant line, this horizontal resistance. So it's good kung ma-break ni AGI, and we'll stay above in this area here. But for now, since AGI did not break this line, then we need to see this inclined support na still mag-hold si AGI. So this is my own opinion, but for me, my reference is this inclined support always. So it's depend on your style. So we have different technique for how to trade in the stock market. Shout out to Loan Salabi. Thank you for your support. Thank you very much. So the next one here is Convert, CNVRG. So ano na po yung price movement ni CNVRG as of 9:44 in the morning. So ngayon lang tayo nakapag-live charting because yesterday it is holiday. Holiday po kahapon. So today we have a trading. So we'll watch the movement of CNVR. Okay, CNVR still, if you see here, this area here, there is a bounce here. So we draw an incline, we draw a channel. So there is a bounce also here. This is a support. And this one also the support area. And there is a rejection in this area. It means this area is a resistance. So the price is going down, going to the support, the bottom line of the channel, and then going up. And again, there's a rejection on this area. So for me, I will wait if there is a confirmation candle above on this midline of this channel. But for now, it is red. So we'll see, maybe it will drop again on this support line, this line here. So we need to see if the closing price of CNVR or Converge today is below MA20, so we'll expect that the next support is this horizontal support line. So we'll try to see the MACD. MACD is crossing the signal line, so it is weak. So we need to wait again if the MACD will cross the signal line. And we will see if there is a pattern created on this price movement here, if there is a bullish pattern. So for now, just wait. We will see if the closing price is below MA20. So we'll expect the price will go below to this area. This is only my opinion, but we will see the next price movement. Until there's no confirmation candle for CNVR that there's a bounce here in the middle, line of the channel. So I will wait because it's clear in the MACD. MACD is in the uh, weak momentum. So we will see and monitor the movement of CNVR. Next one is East West Bank. So what is the movement of EW as of 7 in the morning, February 26, 2021. So there are a lot of companies now in red color, also EPL, PD2, Cebu Pacific, SM Prime, and Ayala Land. So if we draw here, if we check the inclined support of East West Banking Corporation, this area is the support. This is the support. And now we will see this line if mag-hold si EW. But still, is below the 3 exponential moving averages. So now its current position is in the support area, this horizontal support and inclined support, and the AME 200. So we'll see the MACD. MACD is still below the zero line. So we need to wait another price movement of EW. For me, I'm always um, monitor if the price will go up again above all the exponential moving averages. And if there's create a bullish pattern, and we will stick the indicator like MACD. So we'll see the next movement of EW unless it will not break this inclined support and this horizontal support. So just check this support na hindi mag-break ni EW. Most especially the EME 200. And we know already that MACD is in the weak momentum. So our last defense is to see this inclined support and this horizontal support and the EME 200. So this is my opinion for EW. But if mag-hold siya, then it's okay. Kung mag-hold siya sa area na yan, that line. Next one is DMC. Shout out to Lon Salabi. Thank you for your support. And to Engineer Edwin Bilan. Thank you for your support. Now, Pure Gold is down also. APL is down. And BPI is down. So, the Apo ASAN is also down. It's red. ICT is gray now. This is the chart of DMC. If we see the chart of DMC, this line is the inclined support. There is how many times the price is bouncing on this line. Here, there's a bounce. This area here, there's a bounce. This area, there's a bounce. But for now, the current price of DMC is in this inclined support. So, dapat mag-hold si DMC on this inclined support. So, as I said, I'm always monitor the price if it is above the all exponential moving averages. So, if it's good na ma-break ni DMC, this AME 20 and exponential moving average 50. But provided that this inclined support and this AME 200 ay mag-hold yung price ni DMC. So for me, I will wait another movement of DMC. Now you see here, MACD is below the zero line and it is below the signal line. So the momentum is weak. So we need to monitor the movement of DMC, but don't be aggressive now unless they will go up above all the exponential moving averages. Because now if you see the exponential moving averages, napakasigip po yung moving average natin. No? So dapat mag-break na itong horizontal resistance and it will go up above for this area here. So this is good if DMC will climb above on that area. So we need to watch if there's a breakout this next resistant line. So but as of now, it's still nag-hold pa naman si DMC. So just check the MA 200 and this incline support na hindi ma-break ni DMC. Now nickel is down also as of 9:52 in the morning. So next one as you will see the EEI. The EEI. So dito now is also down MM, Emperador, and SM. And now Corporation, Universal Robina is down. Fruit, so it's down now. If you see EEI, there is a gap down now. So we need to watch this support line kung mag-hold si EEI. So we will just check the previous price movement of EEI. EEI is hitting the major resistance, this incline resistance. So napaka-strong po na resistance itong incline resistance, this line here. This is the strong resistance of EEI. So if you see here, there is how many times this price hitting on this line, but there is a rejection. So now, if you see, again, he is coming on this area in the previous days. So he's hitting this incline line. This is the incline resistance. So take note, if it is in the resistance area, we don't want to be aggressive. We need to wait if the price will going back. So here, this is a support line, this horizontal. So we need to see if the price will stay above on this horizontal support. So dapat mag-stay lang si EEI on this area. Here. Dapat mag-stay lang si EEI on this horizontal support. So still the incline support still okay pa naman yung incline support ni EEI. But for me, I need to see EEI if mag-hold dito sa my horizontal support line, this line. Provided that this incline support also ay hindi mag-break ni EEI. So if you have a position for EEI, still we need to see this horizontal support and this incline support na hindi mag-break ni EEI. So that is my tools for EEI. You see MACD. EEI MACD now still above the zero line. It is good, but it is tapering down, so it is a sign of weakness. So still he did not close the signal line, so we need to monitor the next movement of EEI. So but for my general opinion, I will see on in the actual price movement, dapat mag-stay si EEI on this area, this horizontal line and this incline support. Next one is MM. I think nag-down po si MM as of 9:55 in the morning. Shout out to John Marching, Keith Jason, A.K. Bordado, Christian Amlog, and Manny Davis, Rap Levi Murano, Maynard Castro, and Well Ludnok, Ivan Dave Iwakeri, and Kendi Mirias, and Dib Maipan. To Patricia Shashat, thank you for your support. To Engineer Virgilio Magna and Engineer Eric Lumontad, to Engineer Janelle Galbi, and Engineer Larry Amoges, thank you for your support. Now, if you see, to Lois Salabi, thank you very much, and to Engineer Edwin Bilang, thank you. Now we see MM. This incline support na dinodraw natin, MM already break this incline support. So, we need to watch this horizontal support na mag-hold si MM. So if we say MACD, MACD now is above zero line, but below the signal line. So we need to watch next movement of MM. But for me, my general opinion, if ever MM will climb above again on this incline line, then it's good. But if not, we will see the movement, sideways movement of MM if this horizontal support ay mag-hold yung price ni MM. Dapat mag-hold si MM dyan. Now, we will see current price is 6.63. And now it's corresponding with the exponential moving average 50. So, for me, my general opinion, we need to wait this horizontal support na hindi ma-break ni MM. So, we can draw the incline resistance. We draw here, connect the highs. Okay. So now it's clear that if there is a bounce in this area, we need to watch this incline resistant na ma-break ni MM. Because if not, there's a possibility that this horizontal support ay ma-break ni MM. So if there's a bounce here, just watch this incline support, resistant rather, na ma-break ni MM. Otherwise, there's a big possibility that this horizontal support ay ma-break ni MM. And we need to watch this next support line below here. So just watch this horizontal support na hindi ma-break ni MM. So you need to be aware, no? If there is a bounce, you need to be aware that this incline support ay ma-break ni MM. So next one is SMC, San Miguel Corporation. PLDT is down as of 9:59 in the morning. Pure Gold is also down. So there are a lot of companies going down now because as we know the PCI is also going down. So San Miguel Corporation, if you draw a incline resistance here, draw incline resistance, will connect the high. Now we need to watch this incline resistance ni San Miguel Corporation na ma-break. Because nandito pa rin siya sa may below on this incline resistance. So if ever hindi ma-break ni SMC, there's a big possibility that the price will go drop on this incline support here below. So this is the incline support. This is the previous incline support of San Miguel Corporation. This line here, there's a bounce. There's a bounce on this line. So this is line support. So now we need SMC to break this incline resistance. This line here. And if ever hindi niya ma-break, now nag-red po si SMC, there is a big possibility that he will drop this incline support below. So don't be, for me, I will not be aggressive for San Miguel Corporation unless he will break this incline resistance and he will stay above the all exponential moving averages. So I will wait the next movement of San Miguel Corporation na mag-break na yung incline resistance. So the last one is AXLM. This is AXLM. So now we'll see green is up and D2 is up, LRW, Pure Gold is down, EPL is down, BDO is up. So if it is green, it means the current price of 10 o'clock in the morning is above the opening price. But if it is red, it is below the opening price. So now, AXLM, this is the support, this incline support, this incline support. So now he is in the resistance area. So don't be aggressive for AXLM now. For me, but it's up to you. But for me, I will not be aggressive for AXLM unless this incline resistance ay ma-break ni AXLM. Because if there is a rejection now, kung magpula yan si AXLM, dito na naman yan pupunta sa area na ito, yung incline support, this line. So we need to watch this line na hindi ma-break ni AXLM. Kasi kung ma-break ito, of course, the price will going down, maybe somewhere on this area here. So don't be aggressive for EXLM for now. Because nasa resistant area si EXLM. So you see the candle, very small candle here in this area. So if ever EXLM ma-break na itong incline resistant and you will see above the horizontal line, this line here, so it is good for EXLM. So we need to be patient and wait if the price will drop on the major support. But for now, it is in the resistant area. So, hindi po tayo kailangan na mag-aggressive. So, we'll see pure gold here is most active. This is the sample that we discussed last Saturday about pure gold. It's a downtrend, so we will not focus on the stock in a downtrend unless if there is a pattern or there is a confirmation signal that the price will going up. Now your goal is breaking this in horizontal resistance, so we will see in the next, maybe will drop in the previous low here. See pure gold, but don't be aggressive for pure gold. We see MACD. I'll try to see the MACD is below the zero line and also widening down. So the momentum is very weak. So we need to see the next major support for pure gold. PHE is down. We will see the MRC. Megaward also is down. So just check always the pattern. If it is downtrend, so no need to be aggressive if it is in downtrend condition, if you're stuck in a downtrend. So we should not be aggressive, and until we need to wait if the price is going up above all exponential moving averages. So still the same, MRC mark this below the zero line. So we see the movement, the price now is still below the two exponential moving averages. Now it is in the corrective thrust, no? Because the mark is below the zero line and trend in adjustment. So for me, if MRC will break this horizontal support, then this is the next line. We need to watch this incline support here. There are two times this line hit MRC and there is a bounce. So you need to see if this horizontal resistance support hindi ma-break ni MRC. Kung ma-break, then this is the next support we need to watch. This area here. So nagpula po siya, no, as of 10:06 in the morning. So I hope you learned something about this discussion, and thank you for the support. Before I end, shout out to the viewers today, to Engineer Edwin Bilan, to Lone Salabi. Thank you for your support. So if you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box. And if you like this discussion, just don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you learned something about this discussion. This is only a simple discussion for support and resistance. It's very important. As I said several times, support and resistance is very important in the stock market. Avoid buying shares if the price is in the resistance area, and we need to watch if the price is going in the support area. If there is a confirmation candle that there is a bounce, so this is the area we need to watch. So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless us all always.